Hey there, I'm just over here watering the herbs in my garden. Here we've got a jalapeno. I just love to water them and watch them grow. Now, do you know what else that I like to watch grow? Your business. But in order to do so, you're gonna need a trademark. A trademark is what sets any company from a professional brand that customers and clients trust. Just think of big companies like Nike and McDonald's. One of the reasons that they're so big is they have protected their brands with trademarks. You could protect your name, your logo, or even your slogan or some of your key products or services. So if you want to become a professional brand and watch your business grow like this jalapeno, just contact us here at the Social Media Law Firm. We'd be happy to help protect and grow your brand with a trademark. You guys are doing so good.